from this first prototype to this. After so many efforts, the final product is ready. It looks beautiful. You can see the charging cord output. You can see the screws, which are also built by the exact 3D printer. This is a metal screw. This is the locking mechanism, and this is the double tape to hold on to this side because it's the flat surface. I don't want anyone to mess up with the screws, and the rest of it looks very professional. See the quality, it looks fabulous. Can't believe it's a 3D print. Wow, you can't see the layers anywhere except some over here, which gives away. And check out the quality on the top. Wow. Oops, I got some glue from here. I'm still like trying to make this nut stick to this bolt. Okay, so rest of it is like this. You can see the print quality. It was printed at 0.2 on a 0.4 nozzle, and the speed was 300 millisecond, and yeah,